Hello and welcome to another video here on NoelsDay. My name is Noel and today I'm gonna take you on an adventure trip to Isla Tortuga in Costa Rica. The island is located here on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica. The adventure included snorkeling and kayaking, so I'll be taking you to remote beaches. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's try to get to 15 likes on this video. And now, enjoy it. After a short boat ride, we got then equipped to go snorkeling around a beautiful rock. They promised us a lot of beautiful fish, so let's have a look if we're lucky and let's hop into the water. After an amazing hour of snorkeling, we took a boat ride to go to the actual Isla Tortuga, which translates to Turtle Island. There we had lunch, fresh fruit, and Nicola and I rented a kayak.
So I'm coming to you with a little update. We rented a kayak and we came to this little stone beach. And obviously if it's a stone beach, it can hurt your feet a little. Nicola is sitting in the boat, enjoying the waves. And yeah, so we came from over there on the right side. You can't properly see it now. Ah, there, tiny bit, the beach. So we came over here and we got it for an hour and it was 17? Wow. How much was it? $15? So I guess it's fairly priced for a lonely beach on a lonely island, but guess we're gonna head on somewhere different soonish. Let's do this. Well, now we came to the next place, this little sandy beach. It's kind of like a private beach for us, just me and Nicola sunbathing with our little kayak. And well, it's pretty nice, just having a private beach. And on this little beach there are a couple of caves. Well, I wonder what animals are hiding back there, but there's another one here, slightly bigger one. It looks like it's continuing like back there, but I don't want to go back there since well, you never know what is hiding back there. And well, up there, like nature slowly coming down, some dead trees over there or almost dead, and then the amazing beach over here. Quite nice sand, I would say. Yeah, we're just gonna relax a little bit here, and soon we're gonna go back to give back the kayak. So we only rented it for an hour, so we don't have a watch, so it's gonna be hard to time, but more or less we're gonna get it. Alright.
Wow, what an amazing day. 2 boat trips, kayaking, snorkeling, and way too much sunlight. You can imagine Nicola and I getting horribly sunburned. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing and also leaving a like. Have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.